Hi! Within this lecture, we're going to learn how to change our Kali Linux password. So I'm going to say clear in order to clear the screen, and I'm going to explain why do we need to change our password. As you can see, we are using the default root account, and the default password for root account is tur. So everybody knows it. And it's not safe to use this in our own virtual machines. Actually, when you use Linux, it's advised not to use root account at all because it has all the authority. It has all the permissions to do everything in your account. So maybe you're using Linux in order to run a server, okay? And if you get hacked or something, if the hacker reaches your root account, he or she may change whatever she wants to change, okay? But if you use a less privileged account, it means that they cannot change anything unless you give them permission. But we're not going to change our username because it may lead to other complications. It may create another responsibilities, another additional commands that we have to run. We're going to continue using root, but in order to make this a little bit safer, we're only going to change our password. In order to do that, I'm going to write passwd. It means that change the password. And if you hit enter, it will ask you for a new password. So type your new password without giving it some special characters to avoid any confusion, I suggest. Okay, some people may suggest otherwise, but I suggest you use some letters and numbers only. So I'm going to give it, and as I type, it won't appear here, but it's typing. If I hit enter, it will ask me to retype that new password, and I will type it again. For security reasons, it won't appear here, but it's typing. As you can see, it says that passwords do not match. I couldn't do it. Let me do it one more time. Let me try it one more time. I'm running passwd once more. And I'm trying to give the same password this time. Okay, I'm going to choose very simple password, and as you can see, it says that password updated successfully. Now when I close this down and when I re-enter my Kali Linux, rework my Kali Linux, I'm going to give the root and my new password to get in. Now I cannot log in with password tur. I'm going to have to give my new password. And after you complete this course, of course you may want to create your own account and you may not want to use root. Then you will have to use the command add user and bring a space here and type your new account name. But I don't suggest you do that right now. It's sufficient for us to change the password only. After you complete the whole course, you may create your own user. So if you manage to come to this point, let's stop here, and within the next section we're going to see how to be anonymous when we go online.